continued. The function chapter is continued for class 11 mathematics, final revision, 11th number. Find the domain and range of this function. So domain means finding, we find interval of x, and range means we find the interval of y. Remember it. Now to find domain, express y in terms of x. Already expressed y is equal to x minus 3. So according to the definition, rule 2 already discussed, the denominator is not 0. So this x minus 3 is not 0. So x is not equal to 3. So domain is equal to real number minus 3. For range, express x in terms of y. Just see how x is expressed in terms of y. Again denominator is not 0. so range is equal to r minus 0. So here we have obtained both domain and range. Now 12 number question. Find the domain and range of this. Now this, whatever inside the root, this is called radicand. Radicand is a new term, so radicand is more than equal to 0, already discussed in rule 3. So x minus y is equal to root x minus 1. So radicand is more than equal to 0. So x minus 1 is more than equal to 0. So x is more than equal to 1. So domain is equal to 1 to infinity. Again to find the range, again the same question. Fx is equal to root this, y is equal to this. Now we have to express x in terms of y to find the range. So x is equal to y square plus 1. This is a polynomial which is always true for all values of y. So the range is equal to minus infinity to infinity. But remember, y belongs to minus infinity to infinity. But remember it that y is a square root of x minus 1, and the square root of any number is always more than equal to 0, which is never less than 0. So from 1 and 2, you have to consider 1 as well as 2. The range is equal to 0 to infinity. 0 taken. Next question. Find the domain of all these. All are polynomials, so the domain will be minus infinity to infinity. Find the range of all these means find the value of y. So again polynomial, all polynomials, range is minus infinity to infinity. Find the domain and range of fx is equal to this both. Now fx is equal to this, y is equal to root 9 minus x square. Since radicand is more than equal to 0, so 9 minus x square is more than 0. Now write in a standard form, then change the sign of first term. First term is not supposed to be negative, so changing sign alters all signs. Now factorize this, get the 2 points on number line, minus 3 and plus 3. You need less than 0 from minus 3 to 3. So domain is equal to from minus 3 to 3. Now next question, find range of this. 9 minus x square, y is equal to 9 minus x square. So this y should be expressed now. X is equal to what? So just squaring both sides and expressing x is equal to root over this. Now radicand is more than equal to 0. So we have again y from minus 3 to 3. But remember it that you have to consider this one also. According to 1, y is more than equal to 0. And here y is from minus 3 to 3. So you have to consider both 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, y belongs to 0 to 3. Why sign change is needed and when sign change is needed. Solve this. We are generally in habit of cutting x minus from both sides. This is wrong. This is not good. It will be harmful in the last. Just see this question. Minus 100 is less than minus 10. Well known. Minus 100 less than minus 10. Cutting minus from both sides. 100 is less than 10. Blunder. And you have got wrong answer. So what is the better? The sign change is the better. Just follow the sign change scheme. This minus x becomes x, minus 4 becomes 4. So by sign change rule we are getting x is equal to 4. Just see how the sign change will give the meaningful answer. Cancellation of minus minus from both sides gives false answer, but changing sign, this less becomes greater and we are getting meaningful. Now when the sign change is needed, to keep the first term of LHS positive, we change the sign. This is the better habit. Doing the problem, now minus 2x, changing sign both sides, we get 2x is equal to minus 6, so x is equal to minus 6 by 2. So just learn the good habit. Now just see here, greater than. Now in changing sign, greater becomes lesser than, so x is lesser than minus 3. So the final answer is less than minus 3, means minus infinity to 3 taken. Now solve this. Next question. 4x plus 7 is less than 2x plus 11. So again x is less than 2 and solve this question. And negative means sign change is required. So sign change, x is more than minus 6, more than minus 6. X is less becomes more than minus 6. More than minus 6 means minus 6 to infinity. Minus 6 to infinity. And just this question. Again negative, both sides changing sign, 2x is less than 18, so x is less than 9. So x from minus infinity to 9. Again remember that this is called closed interval, this is called open interval. Now this is the sign change scheme. If alpha beta are zeros, express alpha beta on number line and then start from positive, from right side, then negative, then positive. Permanent fixed sign scheme. Now again, if alpha beta gamma are the 3 zeros right on number line, start from positive, then negative, then positive, then negative. Permanent sign scheme. If alpha beta gamma are the zeros, then express on number line and then plus minus plus minus plus. Now solve this. So express alpha and beta on number line. Less than means not take minus 2 and 2. Then you have to less than means we need negative signs. So from this to this will be the answer. So x belongs to minus 2 to 2. Less than equal to means we need both minus 2 and plus 2. Both have been darkened, but in first problem minus 2 are not to be taken. Both are taken. Again less than means minus to be taken. So x belongs to minus 2 to 2. In this question greater than 0 means we have to take positive to be taken. So this side 2 onward, minus 2 leftward. So this is the answer. Again solve this, factorize this. Again greater than 0 means we need plus. So this side answer, this can be expressed in interval form. Again greater than equal to 0. Equal to 0 means we have to take both minus 2 and 2. We have started from greater, remember it. But due to sign change in between, we got a smaller than 0 means we need negative. So your answer lies from this to this. Now 6 number, this break the midterm, express alpha beta on the number line. Again we need less than 0 means negative. So negative means this to this negative. Now again sign, the problem is less than, but we have to change the sign. The less becomes greater. Greater means we need positive side. So this minus infinity to 2 and 3 to infinity. That's all.